Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates, and give me your valuable opinion. In this video, we are going to check out the best 5 gaming CPU. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones. Best of 5. Dell i5680 Gaming CPU. Intel Core i7 8700, 6-core, 12-thread, 12MB cache, 4.6 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology. 16GB 2400 MHz DDR4. 128GB M.2 SSD boot. 2TB 7200 RPM, SATA HDD 6GB storage, no optical drive. NVIDIA GTX 1060 graphics card. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Ryzen ArchAngel Gaming CPU. Processor, AMD Ryzen 3 1204 core, 3.1 GHz. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti 4GB. RAM, 8GB DDR4 2400 gaming memory. Hard drive, 1TB 7200 RPM HDD. Wi-Fi, 802.11 acres, assembled in California. Best of 3. Cyberpower PC Gaming PC. VR ready, with HTC Vive, and Oculus Rift. Optimized for gaming, at ultra-high game settings and high resolutions. 8th generation, Intel Core processor. Performance NVIDIA graphics processor. Wireless 802.11 acres Wi-Fi, gaming keyboard and RGB 7-color mouse combo. Best of 2. HP Z420 Gaming Computer. Tech support 240GB SSD, with 3-year warranty from manufacturer. 1TB Seagate hard drive, with 3-year warranty from manufacturer. HP Z420 workstation with power cable, new USB keyboard and mouse. NVIDIA GeForce GT 630 HDMI, DVI, VGA. 600 watt power supply. USB 3.0 ports, Firewire ports. 5 USB 2.0 ports. Best of 1. Ibuypower Gaming Desktop. AMD powered FX series processor. NVIDIA GT 730 series graphics. Ample storage 8GB DDR3 RAM plus 2TB HDD. 802.11 acres wireless adapter. Ibuypower gaming keyboard, and mouse. For personal, gaming, and business. 3D vision ready. Check the description for best price and details. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please, give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share, and comments.